Hey, everybody, it's your hospitality friend Glenn here, reporting for the mothership here on Long Island. Finally back at home after traveling all around for the last couple of months, talking to great people like you. And one of the problems I'm finding, we're all stressed for labor. And it goes beyond the numbers on the paper, where the American Hotel and Lodging Association is saying 65% of hotels are still struggling to find labor. And I think it's inordinately affected and felt in the kitchen. We're going to get to the bottom of this today, and we're going to solve, hopefully, some of the stress that you're feeling out there. And to make that happen, I got Mr. Frank Jones, Senior Culinary Consultant with Food by Frank. Great to see you. What's going on in the kitchens, man?
Yeah, it's tough out there. Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure
Yeah.
here. We're excited to chat some labor.
Yeah. So, what's going on in the kitchens? Am I right? Are kitchens suffering inordinately than other areas in the hospitality ecosystem?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, back when I was coming up, you used to see a lot of youth in the kitchens right now,
Mhm.
or not right now, but in the past. But going on site, meeting with chef teams and whatnot, you don't see that quite as much anymore. So there's definitely issues. The individuals that are working in the kitchens are a little bit older.
Right.
Um,
And what that tells me, Frank, is if we're headed to it's kind of like a slow crash coming. You could see it in slow motion. That if we're not careful, we're not really going to be able to have folks in the next generation carry that torch. But listen, you got to have solutions out there because people are eating out as much as they ever have before. So, how are you thinking about helping short-staffed kitchens be more productive with the amount of folks they have back there?
yeah, I mean, it comes down from my side. Yeah, the procurement piece is huge, right? Like, what are you purchasing? What are you buying? Is there anything that you can purchase that can help eliminate some of that need for that extra labor? Whether it's prefabricated items,
Hmm.
already cooked items, rationalizing vendors, rationalizing menus. All those things kind of come into play to where you can develop strategies to alleviate some of that pressure.
Could you share what rationalizing menus means?
Yeah, so if a lot of it comes from cross utilization, right? So you are if you have a burger on three different outlets, whether it's in-room dining or
Right.
your lobby bar or whatever that looks like, making sure that the same procedures or your SOPs are the same for this stuff. Pricing and all that. So you're maximizing the amount of revenue that you can to maybe help offset some of that pressure as well.
I like that. That's a really good idea. Also, when you're speaking about cross utilization, let's just take a pepper. Maybe it goes instead of just being in a salad, it goes in a salad or some fajitas or some other sort of thing. So that way you continue to utilize streamline ingredients in multifaceted ways. So I got to ask you, Frank, how is food by helping with all of this stuff with your culinary solutions team?
So yeah, our team is full of chefs, right? We have a numerous backgrounds, so we have a lot of input from a lot of people in the hospitality world, myself included, with hotel backgrounds and whatnot. So when we come on property or we work with these chefs, we know what it's like. These guys are race horses with blinders on and going towards the goal. We kind of take a little bit of pressure off those teams, and we can strategize and develop menus, order guides, and whatnot to help rationalize that spend and rationalize those menu items.
That's true, because remember, we all live in a world of we don't know what we don't know, and you have the experts come in with bullet point precision to be able to help you lower those expensive and maximize opportunity. I think that's what we're really talking about. Frank, I wanna learn more. How can we figure out, how to connect with you guys?
Absolutely. Just log on to foodbuy.com, and in the right top corner you'll see a become a member button. Click on that and the rest is easy.
Beautiful. Well, Frank, I'm gonna let you go because I got to go and become a member right now. Because I will tell you what, here at the House Resort Pool Club and Smokehouse, trying to figure out how to maximize our expenses. I got two hungry 21-year-olds, after all. But in all seriousness, this is a great way for you to be able to streamline your expenses while also not having to stress out about labor. And that's what 2025 is all about, doing more with less. So please check them out foodbuy.com and click that Become a Member button. I'm Glenn Hausman. That was Frank Jones, and we'll see you next time.